Do it.
Hi, this is Doug Hanson with Five Star Real Estate, and I'm here to interview Matt Harris in regards to what you need to know about credit. And anyways, Matt, let's get going. And the first question is, how does credit affect buying a home?
Hey, Doug, thanks for having me on. Credit affects buying a home in two ways. One, quite simply, is if you qualify for the mortgage program, you'll have to have a certain credit score. Lenders and banks both have a minimum credit score requirement, and if you don't meet that requirement, you quite simply cannot move forward. It is a hard stop. But once you do qualify for a mortgage, the big thing will be the actual interest rate is based on how high your credit score is. So if your credit score is very high, you're going to get the very best interest rate. If your credit score is just 20 points below the high, let's say a 740 credit score, you're going to experience a quarter point higher in interest rate on your mortgage. So it's very important to check your credit and make sure that you can take advantage of whatever is out there available to get a very high credit score before you apply for a mortgage.
Gotcha. Okay, so tell me, how can a buyer work on his credit score, or what can he do to improve his credit score?
Well, this actually comes up every day in my job. Most of the time, people that do have lower credit scores or want to improve their credit, it's quite simply just utilization of credit. A lot of times they just have either paid everything off or they just stop borrowing money due to maybe a circumstance that happened in the past. 35% of what you are making payments on is what your credit score is based on, and that is the advice that I give all the people that come to my office every day and apply for a mortgage is, let's establish some new credit trade lines, such as maybe a revolving credit card or we have a share builder account, which is a CD that you make payments on. But we need to have credit on your credit report to get a credit score and have that moving in the right direction with payments on time.
Okay, is there anything else that you want the buyer to know about credit and what they can do?
Yeah, again, I touched on this in the first question is, it is important that you know what your score is, and it is important before you go shopping for a home or even meeting with the loan officer to shop for a home that you actually get your credit report pulled by your loan officer, have them look at it and give you ideas on how to improve it. Look it over, make sure there's no mistakes on it, and then let that person give you a plan that will show you how to improve your credit scores. You should be doing this 90 days before you want to purchase a home.
Okay, that's good information to know. And that's Matt Harris with Mortgage One, and you should contact him. His number is 616-575-9853, and his email address is mharris@mortgageone.com, and then Mortgage One is spelled out. This is just a informational video that will help you try to understand the importance of credit and what you need to do to get it into shape so you can buy a house with a whole lot less hassles and make it a much more smoother transition for you. So this is Doug Hanson with Five Star Real Estate. My number is 616-485-8955. Thank you.
Thanks, Doug.